Day 24 of saying no to my addictions every day, no smoking, drugs, gambling, porn, social media scrolling, junk food, whatever the fuck I'm doing. One of the biggest benefits that I'm noticing is that I'm starting to become someone I can trust and count on. Because before I wasn't consistent at all. Like, I'll tell myself that I will do something, I'll probably do it for a few days and I'll just quit. And that made me really not trust myself and not believe in myself. But sticking to the challenge for that many days, like, it's different now. I'm sticking to my shit and I'm starting to finally trust myself and feel that I'll be there the next day, and it feels so good. It's kind of relaxing to know that you are going to be there for yourself the next day. So yeah, this is one of the biggest benefits that I'm noticing. It really boosts your confidence like a motherfucker. It just feels amazing that I'm starting to become someone I can count on every day, and I'm showing up every day. So yeah, it feels fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. If you're on this journey, I'm with you through the whole way. Thanks so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.